6:05. I'm laying in the back and we're moving without having moved any other stuff because we heard another car and they're like parked right next to us. There's people around, so we're off.
We have moved to the beach and he has pancake batter and the first pancake is cooking.
In the moment, so I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on.
Here's Ollie using every biodegradable baby wipe
It's just caked on really.
to clean the pots. We've had breakfast, we're ready, we've gone to the toilets, we've used the National Trust facilities, and now we're going to drive and pick up boards and then have a little Google where to surf next. The pancakes were really yummy, although my last one didn't cook. But
I made some
it was
almonds,
good.
some snacking.
These guys were really nice. We talked about people littering.
Thank you.
So goodbye. In love. Oh, I believe I've been.
Just what to lay the boards on top of.
This is Ollie trying to dispose of our bin.
Yes.
Not quite sure where to put it.
What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were more.
Walking around, my hat almost just blew off, hence the lovely hair. What's Ollie thinking of this beach?
It's pretty flat.
It's a little bit flat.
Never loved you like I love me. I guess
We've now got the classic scenario of I forgot my book in the car. Ollie didn't bring a book on the trip full stop. So we're now going to go watch the waves waiting for the hire board shop to open. Hop, hop, hop. No, this is pretty.
It's a Great Western just over there. It's nice, it's so far out.
This is Ollie wishing that he had his boards right now.
Right now.
Right now. It's 5 to 9, so we're going to go and wait outside the shop that opens at 9. Because we were there, ooh, dark. We were there yesterday before he opened as well, so keen beans. Ollie's gone to get the car because there's a better car parking space here. So I'm going to try and stop any other car from parking here, which is a bit difficult. I guess I just stand in it and hope he's quick. Morning, Tim.
I loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me.
Or likely to be 3 to 4 foot.
Good, here's Tim.
Hello.
Very helpful at board walks.
Today.
Yeah. We highly recommend Tim. Why, Ollie?
Because we spent £6 on 2 boards and a wetsuit today for a whole day, which you can't get anywhere else in Cornwall.
Love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me.
We have the goods secured. Here's a little poppet through
Yeah,
here. Got the boards, only paid £6 if you didn't get them a minute ago. Wow. Today. He did me the rate of a phone board for all 3 days. Lovely, lovely guy. Plan poppet. Okay.
We just did our last surf. Now we're heading to Mama to pick her up. It's been a good day, really hot, and he's focusing on driving.
Yes. And then we're going home all the way.
Back in the road, going to CORNWALL.
I'm sat in the back again. Mummy's driving. We picked her up. We've left Cornwall. We're now in Devon on the way home. Day 5 sadly over, but happy to see Papa on the way home, and it was a really good trip. Home! Oh, we'll probably lift a note, that's nice. We made it home.
Hello.
Road trip over.
Mm-hmm.